Nick Ball versus Brandon Figueroa. Oh shucks, paulit-ulit ko pinapanood tong yung knockdown. Grabe tong laban na to. Nick Ball upset Brandon Figueroa to become the WBA champion, and it's not that I don't expect it. It's just grabe, ang ganda ng game plan ni Brandon Figueroa, and talagang alam mong gusto niyang manalo eh. At gaya ng usapan natin, pag dayo ka, dapat knockout, and that is exactly what Brandon Figueroa did. You would be surprised, sabihin ko sa inyo, napanood ko rin yung interview ni Brandon Figueroa at saka ni Manny Robles, who's a really great coach, and you'll be surprised. May isang judge pa na 5 points behind itong si Brandon Figueroa. Grabe yun. Anyway, here's my reaction to the fight. Initially, I thought that Nick Ball would be able to kumbaga push forward kasi yun yung style niya, yung relentless attack, marami suntok, but unfortunately parang baligtad ang nangyari. Parang si Brandon Figueroa was the one commanding, and I do agree with Brandon Figueroa na siya yung lamang talaga. His jabs was there, and he beat Nick Ball with his own fight. Kahit na advantage ni Brandon Figueroa yung reach and size, actually hindi niya tinake advantage yung advantage na yon. It's mainly because style din naman kasi ni Brandon Figueroa yung makipagsabayan sa loob kahit na mas mahaba siya, hindi kasi ganun yung style niya. But the good thing about this is that they were able to stop Nick Ball in his attack. Halos although nagtatry si Nick Ball sa nakita natin, but the jabs was there. Talaga yung jab ni Brandon Figueroa, hindi makapasok ng maayos itong si Nick Ball. Kaya hindi niya natatamaan ng maayos si Nick Ball. So, and I like the attitude. Ito yung if you wanna be a champion, if you're just challenger, you cannot relax. Kahit na feel mo na lamang ka. Brandon Figueroa said na lamang sila. And even though lamang sila, I like what Manny Robles said during one of the intermission na sinabi niya na if you want to be a champion, you gotta go for it. Smart pressure. And that's exactly what they did. So, ang ganda lang ng pagkapanalo. Bruce Carrington is yun ang gusto ko makitang next. At least unification. Sabi ni Brandon, gusto daw niya lumaban sa lugar na Manila. Nakaka heartbreak. Nakita ko kasi yung mga fans doon. Syempre, the British fans is definitely one of the rowdiest fans. And they really support their boxer. Tsaka nakakatawa kasi yung mga kumakanta-kanta sila. They're shouting, they're really supporting their boxers. So, it's very dramatic when they lose. Obviously, they were stunned with the knockout. I think medyo expected din ng crowd na lamang kasi si Brandon Figueroa. So parang papunta na dun sa climax na matatalo si Nick Ball eh. Pero yung bigla siyang ma-knockdown and then ma-knockout, that was even a heartbreaking. So heartbreaking talaga na ito si Brandon Figueroa. So anyway, next na natin, I think Efe Hahagba next fight, and then yung Ryan Garcia the week after that. I promise I'll be home, at least for the Ryan Garcia. Valentine's Day kasi the next and like always, we'll do at least a minimum of one video to discuss about boxing every day to upload. So let me know what you think sa Brandon Figueroa. Did you like it? Did you expect Brandon Figueroa is gonna win? Ako, actually, I thought Nick Ball is gonna win. I thought yung pressure ni Nick Ball will be enough. But I did say, if he can hurt Nick Ball, then it will be over. And it will be him. So, that's the reason why it's a close fight. And we need boxing fights like this. A lot more yung mga ganito na laban na hindi one-sided. So, good job. And again, ito pa isa pang tip. They came in there at least 2 weeks, 10 days before the fight. Kasi magkaibang mundo yun eh. So, he was acclimated. They have the right game plan. So, congratulations to the heartbreaking Brandon Figueroa. Let me know what you think of the fight. Sino magandang next na makalaban ni Brandon Figueroa?